Okay, so this is our first progression on the bird dog exercise, legs only. So we want to get in a good, stable position, abs braced, okay, hands on the floor, knees down, and then we're going to lift one knee off the floor and push out towards the wall behind us, and then we'll be flexing the lower back and the glute as we push outwards. Bring back in, relax, and press out. Once we've done the reps on that leg, we'll then switch. Nice and controlled movement, and good strong contraction at the end of the drive of the leg.